Hey guys, as you can see, there's a lot of snow out there. Perfect day to just stay inside and do some modeling. So this is the intro to the new build I'm doing. I am doing the 83 Camaro Z28. As you can see, I already got the body painted. I kind of spent some time over at my parents. They got a nice garage. I ain't got a garage yet. So I was doing some painting on some bodies, so I did more than one. Trying to get as most as I can out of that. This is just the regular Rust-Oleum 2X. It laid down fine. I haven't wet sanded this or anything yet. I think I'll end up going with the Decal Kit that's in the pack, which is the gold on the bottom, and then they got the black pieces for the hood. But you gotta paint the headlights yourself black. What I might do is mask out the whole car and end up painting all this black, because most of the cars I look at online, that inside's all black. My parents did have a 84 when I was pretty young. I don't really remember too much of it, except riding in the back. So there's that. This is what I got done. Got the motor a little ways started, but not too much. Got the blue AC Delco oil filter on there. You gotta make sure you got that on the GMs. And the bottom, I got some weathering done on it. Painted these silver, even though they're, normally they're black. Most of the stuff down here is black, or painted with overspray, that gray with the overspray. I stuck with black. Did the silver for some contrast. And I put some washes on it. That way it's not a brand new off the showroom floor car. I did break one of these by accident. In the worst spot. It's broke right down there. So far it's holding good, but the way they got these assembled is just completely retarded. They kind of sit in between these two pieces here, and those two pieces did not want to glue for hell. So I had to take them apart, and I ended up gluing these two pieces together and then taking these and sliding them in. The first one went really well. The second one ended up breaking. I think the one is a little too tall. And these mount into the body, so you never really can get them set just right until you got the whole thing together. So they actually mount. And these holes here. So I'm sure there's a better way, but I'm only building this kit once. I don't think I got another one like it. So as long as I do alright getting that together, it should be alright. It always seems like I have problems with the damn wheel areas. Yeah, that's such a crappy design. I've never had a kit that had this kind of a design like that. It's just junk. I mean, it would have been better off if they didn't have this stupid cantilever in here and just made it with a pin or something. I don't know. But for the guys that don't have this kit, this is the Decal Set. I still got it in the pack, so I'm not taking it out of the pack till I'm ready. But I'll probably end up using those in the hood. I just saw on Facebook that this one used to have the fender flares because it used to be the IMSA Camaro. Well, I've always wanted an IMSA Camaro, and I wish they would have left them parts in the kit. They had to have a couple of pieces in that on a chrome tree, but other than that, this one person had the fender flares and was asking what kit that was from, and then they were like, well, it's from that one. But and they just continued to put it in there, but now they've finally taken it out. And there's another look at the motor. I gotta wash it. I don't think I'm going to wire this one. When you look at the real cars of this, you don't see the wires, so it's too modern to add the wires to it, so we'll see. But be short and sweet. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.